Hey, this is Salma from Discover My Business. Let me just be quick here. I won't take much of your time. I just want to show you what you are missing on your Google ad. I was actually going through a lawyer search and I came across your ad on first page of Google, and it clicks me that you are missing out the major things, like you're missing out the call out extensions, the site link extensions, and also a phone number. Let's see an example here of one of our clients who have a description, call out extension, and also site link extensions as well. So as you can see, they also have a phone number. That's the whole point of spending on the ads, right? To convert leads into clients. So to increase your conversion rate, you actually need proper management, which would make your ad more appealing on the first page of Google. You don't need to spend more to get more clients. It's just that you have to manage it properly, optimize your budget, and increase your conversion rate from 5 to 10% just by having call-out extensions on your Google ad. It's really easy if we manage it properly. Let's have more insights on your Google ad management and how you can increase your conversion rate on a call. I hope to schedule a call soon. Have a good day.